Hey everybody, today we are going to be reviewing the 73-piece Kobalt toolbox set. This tool set unrolls, and as you can see, it has many pieces, and we're going to go over every tool it has in here. Okay, so we're going to do a rough run through of what is here. This is a wonderful beginner's set for someone who is just starting their tool collection and needs just tools that are good for house repair.
And the good thing about these tools is they're actually really solidly built tools.
Oh, yeah.
They're not like, little, like toy tools and stuff like that. This is effectively a full-size hammer. So, I mean, it's not like a tiny hammer that you would use for...
Oh, yeah, this is real tools. So it has a set of skinny nose pliers, a pair of Dikes, extendo pliers, which get bigger, so you can grab onto larger items. There's a Crescent Wrench, which is good for grabbing nuts. It's a multi-size wrench, basically. There's these scissors, snippity snip snip. A 16-ounce hammer, full-size hammer. It's a good feeling. It's heavy. It has this box cutter with replacement what is it called, blades.
Yep.
What is this, probably 8-inch level.
Yeah, it's a pretty good sized level. Looks like it has a magnetic base here, so it can stick on stuff.
Yeah, good for hanging pictures.
Vertical level, horizontal level, 45-degree level.
That's pretty good.
12-foot tape measure. And it locks. It's a locking tape measure, so that's pretty nice.
Oh yeah. There's a, what's this called? Ratchet. There's a ratchet with a 1/4-inch drive and a 3-inch extension, along with these standard and metric sockets.
Yep. So we have a screwdriver here that takes all these different bits. We have Torx bits, Allen bits, Phillips head bits, flathead bits, and square drive bits. Oh, and this is kind of interesting here. You also have a bit that turns your screwdriver into a nut driver. So you can take a socket, use this particular bit here, and you have a nut driver. That's pretty slick.
That's pretty cool.
So what else? Oh, we also have
keys.
Allen keys. We have Allen keys in metric and in standard. I mean, they're not super big, but that'll be good for like most purposes.
Yeah, most purposes, yeah.
So what do we think? What do you think about this kit?
I think it's a pretty well-rounded kit for a person who doesn't have a ton of space but needs tools to repair things, because there's always something. Right.
This folds right up into a tiny little tool bag you can take with you. The only thing that I don't particularly like about this bag is, we've had this for a while. It's had it for a couple of years, and some of the Velcro is starting to get a little weak, so it's starting to get a little floppy. But besides that, most of the stuff stays inside the bag. Over here, like these pockets could be a little bit bigger. That's a little annoying that we can't fit those in there. But they have some extra pockets, like they have a pocket over here. And what else? We had some other things we added to our kit that we thought would be useful. One is a flashlight, so we throw a flashlight in here, and a pencil. We don't have a pencil, so we'll put a pencil in there too. What else do we get?
It's all very good quality.
It's all pretty good quality, yeah. It's I was impressed by these tools, like these pliers. These are actually really nice pliers, and these are some really pretty nice skinny nose pliers with the wire cutters inside them.
Oh yeah, the wire cutters.
I would think that it looks like you'd actually be able to cut wires with these wire cutters instead of just mangling wire. So that looks like a pretty good setup.
Yeah.
What else?
For someone who's just starting with tools, house repair, I would recommend this.
Sure. Actually, another thing it has here, if you look inside inside all these pouches, there's a little
elastic.
Yeah, some elastic, so it holds your tools inside the pouch so they don't fly out of the pouches easily. So that's kind of nice.
So, this set is very, very, it's a pretty good quality.
It's a pretty good quality set. So this was about 50 bucks at Lowe's. That's where we got this guy. So that's, I'd say for 73 different parts, you know, definitely get, I'd say meet most of your, you know, average household needs.
But it's probably 8 inches tall by 6 inches deep by 1.5 feet wide. So that's not big. You can put this in a closet, in your basement.
Sure, yep.
It's no problem. It's just, it's pretty solid too. I mean, we should do the kick test, my favorite test. It survived! Oh. It has this, oh, I just realized this. It has this really tough bottom. It's like fake leather? Maybe leather.
It's not leather.
It's something.
It's something.
It has this protective layer on bottom that the rest of the case is not made out of, so you can put it down on dirt and it won't get damaged. So all in all, I think this is a pretty good kit.